What's up? Day 4 of sourcing online arbitrage products daily. Okay, live in front of you guys until, every single day until I find one profitable lead. Okay, so for the last 3 days, we've done it pretty fast. Yesterday was really fast, right? So just a reminder, if you haven't watched the previous days, we found it one good seller from which we found another product. This is the product from day 2. I haven't had the product from day 3. Just watch yesterday's video, right? But we created a monitor on Arbitrage Stalker. We did set up a monitor on Arbitrage Stalker, but it has only been 48 hours, right? So the data that we're going to get is not necessarily going to be the best. However, we're just going to go through it, right? We're going to try. By the way, if you do not know Arbitrage Stalker, it's the software that I created for you to be able to track storefront and receive notifications when your competition actually adds products, right? So let's get into it, right? And let's try to see if, I'm going to check a few products. If not, we're back to storefront stalking. Yeah, there's a couple of things here. That's all good. Let's start with the first one, okay, which is the latest product that was added by one of our guys right here. I haven't really checked. The keepa chart does not look that good. Price went down. Whole Food is selling it, but when Whole Food is not selling, yeah, it goes to $9.69. All right, let's check. How do these guys make these profitable? $4.49 on Target. $4.29 on this website. So let me check. At $4.29, 902, I'm sorry. If we get it at $4.29, right, and we sell, let me see, at $9.69, would it be worth it? Yeah, it's not worth it, but it's better than nothing. If we can get some coupons on this website on top of what we already get, we can make it worth it, but yeah, it's way too tight for me. I'm not a huge fan, but let's keep going. All right, let's keep going with these sellers, with these leads. Let's look at this right here. The price is pretty stable, right? Price is pretty stable. However, are we going to be able to find this profitably? I don't know. I really don't know. It looks interesting though. Let me see what this is. Let me close this right here, and let me look at this right here. Okay, so it's 1 ounce SPF 30, 1 ounce SPF 30, 1 ounce SPF 30. Not sure if it's that one. That's a primer. That's color changing foundation, magic skin. Okay. Here's a quick strategy that you can use whenever you're doing, like, you're looking for a product on Google. Try to get the exact name, because sometimes the title is not the exact name. Magic skin. Let's start with just this. You know what? Let's start with just this and see if we can find it. Here we go. Magic skin primer. Okay, so that's kind of a subscription product. We get 3 pieces for $67, and then we can get a 22% discount. Okay, let me try something. Let me see if I can actually get the discount. So just entered my email. We do get 22% off in the next 5 minutes. So if we get these 3 pieces, let's see. We get them by 3 pieces. And so we get them for 52.33 divided by 3. We get them for 17.45. Let's round up. Okay, so let me go back here. 17.45. Boom. That's profit. That's a good product. How fast is it selling? It's selling 1,000 times a month. That's a banger, guys. That's a banger. That's easy profit. Price goes up to. You don't have to sell at 32. Price goes up to $35.98. What's our price right here? We can actually sell at $35.98. The buy box is oscillating. We get 50% return on investment, right? And it's as simple as that, okay? Just by setting Arbitrage Stalker, We spent 5 minutes and we found a banger, right? Just by setting arbitrage stalker and waiting a tiny bit. Okay, so now that we found a banger, here's what I'm going to do. I want to set up another way, right? I want to set up another trap, right? That's going to be filled with profitable leads whenever I come back. And I'm not going to make something complicated, right? I'm going to do something that I actually have advised you guys against doing in the past, right? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use tactical arbitrage, and of course I cannot log in for whatever reason. I'm going to use tactical arbitrage, right, to do just this, okay? I'm trying to log in. Let me post this and actually log. So I'm in tactical arbitrage, and I'm going to actually do something that I have advised you guys against doing, right? And we're going to see what kind of results we can get from it tomorrow, right? I'm just going to select a random website like Walmart, okay? And I'm going to launch a really, really broad search, okay? I'm just going to select everything that I can right here. And you know what? What is auto tires? Now I'm going to focus on specific things. I'm going to focus on the baby, you know what, the beauty category. I'd like to focus on toys. You know what? Yeah, let's do this. Let's forget about the beauty category. Do we have anything like a toy category here? Yeah, toys. Boom. We're just going to focus on toys, okay? That's it. Or, you know what? If we want to make it for beginners, right? We're going to focus on grocery, okay? So we're going to select food. We're going to select food, and we are going to select... let me see what's in food. Yeah, we're just going to select food. You know, we're going to keep a search pretty simple, right? We're going to select food. We're going to look at how we can manufacture our margins, right? No, we can get 5% gift cards. I think on Card Depot. Let's check. Walmart. Boom. Yeah, we can get 1% off. Let's check arbitrage card. I'm just going to check these two. Let's see, Walmart. They don't have any Walmart. Okay, so we can get 1%. We're not even going to count that. What we're going to do is we're just going to launch the search right here. And yeah, let's see what we can come up with just 1%. Let's see what we can come up with on Walmart in the grocery category, okay? So that's it for today. Literally, we spent less than 10 minutes, and so for a lot of you guys, it's enough to reach your spending goal, okay? Just with this product, you can reach your spending goal easily. Like, you spend $20 per unit, you buy 30 units, you're at like 300-400. I don't want to do the math. You're at 300-400, and then we set up what we're going to do tomorrow, right? So as simple as that, right? We're still making it like we're still keeping it simple. I'm sorry, not complicated, simple, right? And we're going to see what we'll be able to find tomorrow. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Remember that I'm giving away this Arbitrage Stalker account for free, an unlimited account, at the end of these 30 days. Make sure to be active in the comments if you want me to actually give you if you want to win this account, right? I'll see you next time.